Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Lunar Nuclear Plant Collaboration. Russia and China are working together to develop a nuclear power plant on the moon designed to support future settlements. India may join the project as suggested by Russia's Rosatom chief, although there has been no official confirmation from the Indian government or ISRO. The goal is to establish a small nuclear reactor capable of generating up to half a megawatt of energy, providing a continuous power supply for lunar bases. Now let's talk about some key points in the lunar nuclear project. Nuclear energy offers a crucial advantage over solar power on the moon by providing continuous energy during the 14-day lunar nights. Russia and China signed a memorandum in 2021 for the International Lunar Research Station with missions planned from 2026 to 2028. India's participation would involve collaboration with Russia and China on this significant space venture. The lunar nuclear reactor will play a key role in supporting long-term human presence and research activities on the moon. Now let's talk about the factors for India's participation. India and China would need to navigate diplomatic challenges to collaborate effectively on the project. Russia, China, and India would contribute their respective technological expertise, enhancing the project's chances of success. The project will require significant financial contributions from all partners, making cost-sharing agreements essential. A regulatory framework and safety measures will be necessary to mitigate the risk of nuclear power in space. Now it's time for the practice question. By when does Russia aim to deploy the lunar nuclear reactor? 2028, 2030, 2036, 2050. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.